Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the best value for performance gaming laptops you can get right now, the MSI Thin 15, model B13VE2678US. If you're looking for a powerful, slim, and stylish laptop that doesn't break the bank, then stick around, because this one packs some serious firepower. First up, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the MSI Thin 15 comes with the Intel Core i7-13620H processor, a 13th gen CPU with multiple high-performance cores, perfect for gaming, multitasking, and content creation. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card, this laptop gives you access to the latest generation of ray tracing, DLSS 3, and AI-powered performance boosts. That means smoother frame rates and more immersive graphics, whether you're playing competitive shooters or open-world adventures. Now, gamers know display matters, and the MSI Thin 15 doesn't disappoint. You're getting a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate. This ensures buttery smooth visuals and responsiveness, a must-have for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. Memory and storage are also solid here. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, multitasking is effortless, and with a fast 512 GB NVMe SSD, your games and applications load up in seconds. No more waiting around, just launch and play. Connectivity is future-ready too. Thanks to Wi-Fi 6E support, you'll enjoy faster, more stable wireless connections, which is critical for online gaming and streaming. Plus, it runs on Windows 11, so you're set up with Microsoft's latest features and optimizations. All of this power is wrapped up in a sleek, lightweight black chassis that stays true to MSI's gaming DNA, but with a thin and portable design. It's a gaming laptop you can carry to class, to work, or on the go without sacrificing style or performance. So who is this laptop for? If you're a gamer, a student, or even a content creator looking for strong specs at a reasonable price point, the MSI Thin 15 is a fantastic option. You get cutting-edge performance, smooth display, and reliable build quality, all from one of the most trusted names in gaming laptops. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can check out the latest deals on the MSI Thin 15. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and drop a comment if you'd like me to compare this model with other gaming laptops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Reference link below description. Thanks.